All right, once again, friends, good morning. Now, this morning we'll be looking at angles between 2 points on the globe. Now, how do we do this? We have two questions here. We are having point A and B. Point A is on 30° north and B 30° north. They are on the same latitude. Now, to be able to determine the angles between 2 points, first you look at both their latitudes and their longitude. For the first question, they are on the same latitude. On the same latitude. How do I mean? Now, the angles they have are both 30 degrees and 30 degrees and on the same direction as well. Now, by this, it means they are on the same line of latitude. Now, since they are on the same latitude, there can't be any angle between them here. So where we can now find their angle will be when we consider their longitude. Now, in terms of angle, you realize that one of them is on 70° east and the other one is on 60° west. Now, since both of them are in different direction and their angles are also different, now what we do to find their angles, angle between point A and B will be equal to the sum of the two longitudes they have. The reason why we are adding is because one is on east and the other is on west. Assuming both of them were on both east, we would have subtracted the two. Or if they were both in west and west, we would have subtracted the two. But since one is on the east and the other one is west, we add. And this will give us 130 degrees. Now, similarly, for the second question, if you look at their locations, you find out that point A is on 30° north, 40° east. B also 60° north, 40° east. Now, looking at their longitude, the longitudes are exactly the same, which shows that we can't find our angle here, since they are on the same longitude in terms of angle and direction as well. So where we can get our angle is here, where we have, although they are both on north, the angles are not the same. Now, so how do we get the angle between them? Now, since both of them are in the same direction, they are both in north and north. To find the angle between them, we are going to subtract 30 from 60, and this will be 30 degrees. Thank you.